World-renowned architect I.M. Pei used steel, concrete, and over 50,000 blocks of imported travertine when designing the Buck Institute in the rolling hills of Novato, California. Obscura Digital used over 4 million pixels of video to transform it with a flick of a switch. The Buck Fund, one of the world's largest nonprofit research groups dedicated to slowing the aging process, hosted over 700 donors at their black tie affair. They gave Obscura one challenge: blow our guests' minds. Obscura answered the call with an installation that literally caused this hard-to-impress crowd to gather around in amazement, watching for 20 to 30 minutes at a time.
It's like the building is coming out. It's not just there, it's actually moving and it's coming out and sideways.
It's this whole suspense thing. It's like watching a movie, so you think, what's next? And then what's next?
The curved surface, representative of I.M. Pei's work, proved no challenge for Obscura's team of developers, animators, and technologists.
We survey the site extensively using photographic survey techniques, laser range finding, and traditional drafting and tape-based measuring. Once we have all those measurements, we bring them back to the shop and we generate flat templates. Using those templates, we then generate our visual effects. In theory, we'll know down to every specific brick in the facade of that structure.
Back at the shop, Obscura went to town on 3D effects using 3D Studio Max, 4D Cinema, After Effects, and Photoshop. The media for the event was nothing short of pure modern art. Setup included engineering, planning, and pure strength.
It's just a lot of work, a lot of details, a lot of power, a lot of heavy lifting.
5 Christie HD projectors, one 50,000-watt bag-end sound system, crates, cables, computers, and lots more.
We're going to put one up top to get that little fin type thing up there. That's about a 30-foot tall piece of architecture, but you can't see it from the parking lot, but you'll see it as the guests are driving up.
Inside, guests had the opportunity to learn more about the Buck Institute and their programs by interacting with Obscura's one-of-a-kind multi-touch walls and hollow-touch photo projection systems. None of the work, inside or out, could have taken place without Obscura's proprietary systems, calibration techniques, and pure experience.
What's out there wasn't enough for what we wanted to do, so we had to go out and invent a lot of these methods and ourselves, and also write all the software that we're using.
The result was a 3D crowd pleaser.